This is Paul, Sizzlin Arrow Outdoors. Thank you for tuning in today, and we're going to be talking about a product today. But before we get into that, if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe down below. Subscribe below. All right, you got it? Good. All right, sweet, excellent. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video and talk about the product that I have here. So what I've got here, I don't know if you can see it over here, but we've got Sizzlin Arrow Spices and Rubs. And what we're gonna do real quick is I'm gonna let you look at my commercial, and that'll give you a little bit of an idea of what we're talking about here, and then I'll come back and give you a little bit of a breakdown of why these are so good. So check this out.
The great outdoors, where memories are made and stories are shared. Experience the flavor that brings your wild adventures to life. From the woods to the sea, the farm to the grocery store, we've got you covered. Whether it's a day of hunting, fishing on the boat, or a cozy dinner at home, our handcrafted blends will elevate every bite, making your taste buds dance with joy. Sizzlin Arrow Outdoors, the perfect seasoning for your next adventure. Discover the taste of the wild and make every meal extraordinary. Sizzlin Arrow Outdoors, flavor that hits the bullseye.
So hopefully you guys like the commercial, kind of covered a little bit of what the spices are about. So really what these do, and the commercial didn't cover it, but they're ground, they're powdered, very, very fine powder in here. So what that does is when you grind everything, you get a better coating, more even flavor throughout your steaks, your chicken, your fish, whatever you're seasoning. And it dissolves better in soup. You're not going to have, with rosemary, sometimes you get those little stems in there and you have to spit them out, and that's just annoying. You don't got to worry about this. Don't got to worry about that with these. Every single one of them that we have is ground up and very fine powder. So everything coats the meat, fish perfectly. And another cool thing about this, there is no preservatives, no additives. We use ground rice hulls to avoid caking. So, there's no junk, none of that. So no junk in there, all natural, great seasonings right here. Even coating, full of flavor. You don't have to add salt, you don't have to add pepper. It's all in the recipe, okay? Everything is very carefully thought of, how to season and how to really bring the food that you're seasoning to life. So it's meant to accompany the food, not to overpower the food. Remember that, it's meant to accompany the food and bring out its flavor, not overpower and take over the flavor. So when you're seasoning it, be mindful of that. It's set up in a way to where you can get a good crust on it, but don't over season, okay? Just cover the top, flip it over, do the same on the other side, you're good. If you're doing soups, season a little bit, taste them. Season a little bit, taste them. Season as you go, just like you would with salt and pepper. So use these the same as you would salt and pepper, and you'll be good. So they're great for everything. They're very versatile. I've used the steak and game and the fish and chicken on vegetables, asparagus, broccoli, but soups, steak, of course, chicken, pork, veal, venison, wild game, bird, any kind of bird, duck, it's all usable with everything. So very versatile, and I'm not telling you what to do, but you can buy these and throw the rest of your spices away. I don't know, maybe. But anyway, if you want to try them, which I recommend you do, check it out at www.sizzlinarrow.com and go to the shop and pick up the Mighty 4-pack. It gives you a little bit of a discount if you buy them all together, and we have flat rate shipping to make it a little easier on the wallet. So check it out, and actually, why don't you go do that now? We're pretty much done talking, and go check out the website right now, www.sizzlinarrow.com, shop, and pick up your seasonings today. Once you pick up your spices, make sure you go to Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow us there and stay in the loop with what we are doing. And if you have not done it, which I don't know why you wouldn't, because I asked you to do that before, but hit the subscribe button below. Subscribe. And yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. We will see you guys here again next time. In the meantime, happy hunting, guys. Appreciate it.
you.